Bing and Google actually provide another mechanism for submitting your site beyond the XML sitemap submission we've looked at. Within the Webmaster Consoles, both systems provide a way for you to tell them about particular URLs. You might want to use these things as a way to make sure the search engines are paying attention to you, to speed up the initial indexing of a new site, or to make sure they grab a new page you've added that you want to see indexed quickly. I described the Google Webmaster Account, Google Search Console, in detail later in this course. For the purposes of this lesson, I'll just assume that you've created an account in these systems, and I'll show you exactly where the mechanisms can be found within the Webmaster accounts. Let's start with Google. You'll want to select the Crawl menu and then the Fetch as Google option. I'll describe this feature in more detail later in the course, but for now your task is simple. Just enter the URL you want indexed and click the Fetch button. Google will go fetch the page, which may take a moment or two. You can then click the Submit to Index button to see this dialog box. Now you have two choices. You can choose to submit just this page, and as you can see, you can submit 500 individual pages every month. Or you can choose to have Google index this page, but also crawl the pages that are directly linked to from this page. However, you can only do this 10 times a month. You might want to submit a page such as an HTML sitemap page or a page with extensive navigation, and use this method to have Google follow through the links to grab more pages. Make your choice, then click the Go button, and you're done. Now, let's look at Bing. Inside the Bing Webmaster Console, open the Configure My Site menu and select the Submit URLs option. In this screen, enter one or more URLs in this text box. As you can see, Google allows you to submit up to 50 URLs each month, though with a maximum of 10 a day. So you may want to be strategic and submit important pages with good links around the site first. Just click the Submit button, and that's it. You've finished.